These bitey wings of pain are just so delicious. I'm Schuey, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make hot wings. And let's be clear on that, these are super mouth-burning hot wings. So just sit back, grab a drink or two, and let's get into it. Today's cook is all about the prep, so let's start with the main ingredient, pre-separated chicken wings. And as always, I grab my chicken wings from Gippsland Premium Meats. You can use complete unseparated wings if you don't trust my expertise though. So now, using some paper towel, dry the wings, removing as much moisture as possible, and throw them in a bowl. Then add some aluminium-free baking powder, some garlic powder, salt, black pepper, chili flakes, and some cayenne pepper. And then just mix that up to make sure each wing gets evenly coated. The wings can now go back in the fridge until you get the barbecue ready. Today I'm going to be using a 57cm Weber kettle, and I'm going to be pairing it up with my kettle cone. Why? Because I want to be cooking at 240 degrees Celsius and above today. Now, how I'll do that is by 3/4 filling a chimney starter with briquettes. I'll light them up, and once they're fully ashed over, I'll put my kettle cone on the grate and I'll dump the fuel into it. And put the grill in place and pop the lid on, opening all the vents, and we're gonna let that warm up for 10 minutes. Now, if you don't have a kettle cone, you can try using a pair of sneakers, but I don't think you'll get the same result as I do. So the grill is hot, so we just wanna place the chicken around the outer edge of the grill, and this is where that hot air is being forced by the kettle cone. Pop the lid back on and leave them for 45 minutes. Did you know that Schueys Barbecue has a Facebook page? Today I'm making super hot mouth-burning wings. And all up, they're gonna take about 50 minutes to be able to burn your mouth. Or for those of you who like to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 2-beer cook. This would be a great time to subscribe to my channel, and while you're there, hit that bell button. That bell button will allow you to be notified every time I say hold my beer and I cook stupidly hot wings. If you didn't know, the Weber lid vent creates a hot spot as the oxygen is sucked in through the bowl vents, up and around our food, and then out through the lid vent. So to ensure an even cook, I always turn the lid a third of the way every 15 minutes. Oh, I was just checking out what I posted on Instagram. That's 45 minutes down, so it's time to grab the wings off the heat. And then we're just gonna pop on some hot sauce. Give them all a good mix up just to make sure each wing's covered. Look at that glorious bum burning flavor packed wing. And now we just need to pop them back on the grill. Now just let the sauce set for 5 minutes before eating them. I'd get a cool drink ready about now if I was you. Fiery wings of mouth burning are ready. So we're just gonna get them off the heat and we're gonna prepare to cry with enjoyment. Now there are many hot sauces on the market, and by all means substitute the hot sauce I use for your favorite one if you want to. These wings are that hot, they should be illegal. As always, cheers for watching.